YouTube. This is Dr. Solar. So this is our newest client. You can see some of the panels there. They are more on that second roof, and then on the main roof they have quite a bit. We are putting the strings together right now. The roof work is completed. It's 120 615 watt panels. So this is our newest client, Paelon Memorial Hospital. So let me give you a quick, hopefully we'll wrap up today. So I also use this hospital. Well, I've used it 2 or 3 times. So let me take you to the back and you see what we've done so far. So our technical staff, AWPS folk.
This routine should be, this one should be 48 volts. No, I mean 48 volts.
Yeah. Michael, how do you get 615 and 48 volts? Because
16. Because 5 is 48 volts. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
So this is our isolator. How many strings do we have in here? 8 strings. So once you turn things off from here, if anything happens where they go in, then our cables are coming from. And it's still work in process. Or work in progress, excuse me, I'm going. So they're taking this through here to keep it as neat as possible into the roof. And then here are inverters. Let me see if I get the picture. Close this off for me, please. See that they happen. Yeah, inverter. So this is the first time in Nigeria we're installing the 30 kilowatt inverter. Actually, second installation has 30 kilowatt inverter. So that's 2 30 kilowatt inverters and 3 8 kilowatt hour batteries. And Mercy, say hello.
Hello.
And then that's the, what's this again?
This is the PV breaker box.
The PV breaker box with, what do you have in here?
We have the breaker.
Surge protection.
SPD here.
Okay, the SPD. And then open your gateway for me, please. So this is the second time we're installing this gateway, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the second time we're installing this gateway. So it has your bypass, your backup, inverter 1, inverter 2, your smart port, your grid port. Your smart port, can handle generator too, right?
Yes.
And then your SPDs. And then I did not know what this was until yesterday, and that, it was on Thursday last week I found out. That turns these lights on.
Yes.
So it's still work in progress. They should be done today, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. John today, Michael, say hello. Michael went to Abuja by himself, and Michael, you did a 12 kilowatt inverter, right?
Yes.
With how many batteries?
5 8 kilowatts.
5 8 kilowatt hour batteries. Unless you were in Owerri last week, you were in Owerri a few days ago.
Yes, sir.
Actually, Michael, you came back from Abuja yesterday.
Yes.
And you came back from Owerri yesterday.
As well.
Okay. And you went by yourself, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Say hello to everybody. To see
Hello, YouTube.
babes, a trip them. Okay, so we'll keep you posted. They should be done today. I'm going to go to another site where we're currently at work. And this is, if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you're yet to subscribe, smash the subscribe button. Once again, this is Dr. Solar coming to you from Paelon Memorial Hospital.